Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Unicehair, and guys, I'm so excited to do this video because this is my very first time actually trying on a lace wig. So they sent me over 24 inches of their brown Bodywavewig wig. It's 150 density with invisible knots, an HD lace, and it also has an adjustable strap, hook straps, and an adjustable drawstring. So if you like security, this one is definitely for you. So like I've said before, this is my very first time trying a lace wig. I was beyond excited when they sent me over the hair. I'm also allergic to hair dye, so it felt pretty good to play with some colors. And y'all, look at these colors on this wig. The curls, the bounce, it just blends so perfectly with my skin tone. And right now, I'm just going in with my foundation so I can blend the lace with my skin tone for a more seamless look. The HD lace is already great, but this helps it melt it even more. So now that I have the wig on, I'm just going to tighten the drawstring in the back for some extra security. And if you want to leave it at this step and not glue it down or anything, you absolutely can. But I'm not done yet. And I'm also loving the curls on this wig. I haven't used any glue yet, and this is what the hairline is looking like so far. Very seamless and natural. And I also like the way my hairline still comes out a little. For me, it just makes it seem a little more natural in my opinion. I also got sent over some pre-lace tape, and y'all, please don't do what I did and slap this tape right on your edges. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got it together and it worked out in the end. So anyway, I just applied that around my hairline and went in with some got-to-be glue spray, then wrapped it up with my lace band to melt everything in place. I honestly didn't even need the spray. You would definitely be good without it. I'm using the She's So Bomb hair wax on top to lay everything flat. Then I'm pressing it out gently with my curling liner for a super sleek base. I'm adding some curls throughout, and this hair holds heat really well. Also, all the details about this hair will be in the description box below. And for the price, I really feel like you're getting a lot of value. The length, the color, and also the overall construction of this wig is very solid. And it comes pre-plucked and ready to go, which saves time and money. So I do wonder how this hair will look flat iron or bone straight. Might try that in a future video. This color will still pop with the sleek style. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see this hair straightened next time, or maybe even wand curled. Okay, so now that everything's melted down, I'm going to go ahead and remove this headband and flip out these curls. I'm so in love with this hair, y'all. It's so pretty. Look at the hairline, though. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what y'all think. Now, I did want to go ahead and add a few layers in the front. Nothing too much. I'm not trying to overdo it. And yes, I'm using kitchen scissors. It's still going to get the job done. And then I'm going to follow that with some oil just to give the hair some shine. Now you can already see how much softer and more styled it looks even before doing anything extra. So let's play around with a few easy styles now that the cut is done. Alright, y'all, that's the final look. I'm honestly loving how it all came together. Definitely stepping out of my comfort zone a little, but I'm glad I did it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. The details will be in the description. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.